Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Nanoleaf app for shapes and scenes. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by downloading the Nanoleaf app from your device's app store. Open the Nanoleaf app once it's installed. Ensure your Nanoleaf device is powered on and connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your smartphone. On the app's main screen, tap on the Add Device or plus icon. Select your specific Nanoleaf product from the list provided. For shapes and scenes, choose the option that permits connectivity via Wi-Fi. Follow the on-screen prompts to create an account or sign in if you already have one. If creating a new account, enter the required information like your email address and password. Once your account is created, verify your email through the confirmation link sent to your inbox. Returning to the app, sign in using your credentials. After signing in, you will be prompted to connect to your Nanoleaf device. Follow the instructions to enter the unique pairing code displayed on your Nanoleaf device. This will usually involve tapping a button on the device itself to initiate pairing. Wait for the app to confirm that the device is successfully connected. Once connected, you'll be able to customize shapes and scenes as per your preferences. Explore various options to select colors, brightness, and effects for your lights. Save your favorite configurations to access them easily later. If needed, revisit the settings to adjust Wi-Fi connectivity or update preferences. Enjoy using your Nanoleaf setup with seamless authentication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.